don't worry. I'm going to try and be safe. So, make sure that your gloves are on and that you pull your sleeve down over, otherwise you get bit. Make sure that you have 2 lighters because already 1 lighter isn't working. Make sure you have 2 smokers in case one goes out. I have all the luck when it comes to bees. And these 2 hives are pretty nasty. My original one was great. That's the one that I killed because I took frame and brood from it. And when I did that, I accidentally took the queen. Alrighty now. So we want it to give it some air. I won't put my last glove on until I know I have smokers working. This ain't working. So I did old hay, lint from the dryer. Darn it! The ants are living on the, oh my goodness, they're living on the poor beehive. The poor bees! I'm stepping on some bees, but I don't care. Unbelievable. Oh, that makes me so mad. Makes me so mad. Look at the ants. Big old nasty ants. Oh, great. They're going to get up and I'll be dancing. Great. Alrighty. Poor bees. I can't believe it. You poor things. Ants. Darn it. Alright, listen. I'm your friend. Okay? Smoke you. Do you have any honey in your Sure looks like you got some honey for me. Yeah, it looks really good. So I just want to steal some from here. If you don't make the frames big enough, they break when you try and pull the honey out. See, when a bee is on you, you know they're main bees. See, this one's going to try and sting me, see? You don't want that. Broke it. It's not going to come out. Darn it. Not much, but they've made all their own comb and they're just starting to do honey. So there's nothing I can do with this. I got to just gently, I don't know how I'm going to lay it. Crap. Because they're busy. So this one, honey. Oops. When they're on you, it's because they're mean. They should just be flying around wondering what's going on. They shouldn't be on me. A lot of bees. Okay, this will be a good frame of honey if I can pull it out. I don't know. I'll separate it from this one. See how they're trying to sting me? Get off my face. Please on me because I can hear him in my ear. Yeah, it sounds like a chainsaw in my ear right now. Okay, we're going to bring this honey in. So we're going to put this here. Here's the honey, really packed with honey. So we've got to take the brush, it's very heavy, and brush off the bees. Oh, you're supposed to do it over here. Alrighty. So I'm going to try and take this. There's a bunch of bees all over it. I want to try and get them all off before I run this to the house, because we don't want the bees in the house, you know? And they are determined to kill me. I'll be right back. Bees on my face. bees in the house. The ones on my head flew off. I could get one more thing, then I'll put these two in. Oh, it looks really great. They say never steal their frames during the winter, but we don't have a strong winter. They're going to be just fine. Alrighty, get eaten. Honey. Alrighty, I'm just going to crack them, move them around. Hopefully I'm on my phone by trying to show what we're looking at here. Oops, I lost my stand. Lost my little kickstand here. Put it back out. So see the honey drip? Anyway, so there's the bees all over it. And this is full. This has the queen, and she's laying a bunch of eggs, and this is all what you call just the honey. There should be mostly brood in that brood box, and what they call the supers, where they put the honey for the whole winter. Let's try and leave this here again and see if we can finish this video. Is it going even? Oh, it's still going, I think. Okay. Oh, they're not happy. Right. Oh man, they're really attacking me now. Oh, goodness for bee suits. Oh my goodness, just don't be. Right. Oh man, they're really attacking me now. Oh, goodness for bee suits. Oh my goodness, just don't go to my ankles, please. Oh, there's trying to sting through this. Nasty, nasty. Work quickly, work quick. I want 2 frames of honey. Why? Because when I lost my other hive, because I accidentally dropped the queen or gave her away, or who knows what I did. What happened was these bees in the other hive ran and got a lot of the kept. So this is honey. This is awesome. Alright, so I am done taking, and I'm going to give back. Bees are all over me. Just don't go on my ankles. Brush the bees down there a few times. Keep doing that. You quick, grab your thing that you're going to put it on with bees all over you. I ran and got some DE. All right, so now what I gotta do is push them all together. Oh my goodness, I just dropped a humongo thing of honey, which will just stick in between here. Let's see if we can pack it in there. Why don't you stay in there for me? There we go. Oh, here's another one. Oopsies. Put it. Okay, come on. They are nasty bees. Oh, wow. I didn't try this without a sink. I'd be singing. Woo! That one. And 2 replacements from what I took. And I'm going to try and move that one. So this is going to be kind of hard. There's honey all over my tools. Listen, get off, will you? Let's go. Get the heck off of me. Stop talking. Stop talking and get to work. Alrighty, so I gotta push this. This is not a good spot. There you go. I pushed that. Push that. Use for gloves. Push that tight. Push this. And my next thing is, oh man, if you can't close it, that's not a good thing. The lid is wiped clean. This is what I'll put back on. This side. This is where all the ant nest was. So put this on. Didn't rain on them. And I didn't kill too many bees. There's an ant. And then I'm going to put DE on this. That should take care of any ant situation. And that just sits on there. It doesn't really fit. It's supposed to fit. Okay, so let's see what we have. Everything's good. Done. Gonna DE around the legs to try and deter the ants. Because there'll never be another time when I get to be close to this nest. Because they are going to be very angry with me. The fruits of my labor. And don't worry, it's supposed to look like this. The reason it doesn't look like some of the other stuff is because they put a whole piece of plastic in there and then the bees just build out. But not me. I let them make their own comb because comb is very good for it. It takes a long time to make, so it looks totally different when they have to make the whole comb. See how they attach it in the corners? And then they make their own comb from the top down. So they attached it in the sides. So it's pretty cool. So I'll be cutting that up soon. So this is called mate on the comb, which means you didn't use fake plastic comb. So this way you get to actually eat the real comb, unlike other honey companies that just spin it off of the plastic. There is no plastic on here. We let the bees do all the work. Don't worry, they have lots of completely full frames of honey, more than they need for sure. So I'm just trying to, this is where the bees glued their comb onto the wood. It took both hands to loosen this up. So now we'll clean this up and we'll actually give this back to the bees. And then we'll make all new. Because Florida has blossoms all the time, so it takes a long time for them to make the comb. That's why a lot of beekeepers will just put a plastic thing in there and then they just build little comb out. So then all you're getting is a little honey. But this way you get comb, which is so healthy for you, and then you get all the honey. You don't spin it off.